Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Welcome. And before I get started with my video topic for today, I just wanted to get a little details out of the way. I do have an active giveaway going on for one Jeffree Star Alien palette, two James Charles palettes, and one Becca highlighter kit. And that ends on December 31st, and 30 of you guys have entered. 30 but I didn't know if more people wanted to enter and didn't know about it, so I'm just throwing that into this video. And then another thing I wanted to get out of the way is that I have been inactive for the past week because I have had finals week and I had to take 3 tests and pop out a few papers, so I've been itching to film and I'm so happy to be filming today. But finals week is finally done, so I'll be way more active now. And yeah, if you guys are interested in watching my video, just continue watching. Today's video focus is going to be on these babies right here. A little backstory on what this is that my friend, her name is Tyrion, I call her Aisha. She has made her own brand. She is Flawless Finish Makeup Artistry here on YouTube, and I'll definitely link her down below if you guys are interested in purchasing her products. But she just created her brand and she named it Egyptian Glow. She came out with face and body glow sprays and face and body glow lavas. So the sprays come in a 2-ounce bottle and retail for $10 plus shipping and handling. And then the lavas will be retailing for $5 plus shipping and handling, which is $2. And then to give you a little comparison of like a product that's well known, the Milani Make It Last has 2.03 ounces. So it's pretty comparable to the amount of product you get in this spray. The point of the products are obviously to make you glow, and the spray you can use to prep and set your makeup and also all over your body. And the lavas you can put under your foundation, use them as highlighters, or use them all over your body as well. And then a little bit about the ingredients are that Tyrion, the creator of the brand, has eczema, so she wanted products that work for her skin. So 1, they are all natural, 2, they are alcohol free, and 3, they are vegan friendly. And then these 2 products specifically are aloe vera and leaf juice based, so those are pretty good ingredients. But also another claim for the spray is that with prolonged time they erase dark circles, but I have not seen that. I've only used this for a week and that's not enough to get those kinds of results, right? So we're just gonna get into application now. So to prep, I'm first going in with my primer. This is the J1 Jelly Pack, and I'm gonna rub that in all over my face. Then I'm gonna go over that with the Glo Spray. Nice and tacky. And then also you have to shake really well with this, because if you don't, you'll get little spots of highlighter all over your face. But yeah, just shake it well. And then spray. Okay, so if you are sensitive to smell, I'm sensitive to smell. Usually I sneeze if things are too strong. This has a faint rose smell, and that is perfectly fine. My nose is not reacting, and I thought it was reacting earlier on in the week, but I've been using it so often and my nose hasn't been reacting, so I think it's a thumbs up based on the smell and my sensitive nose. You can see almost instantaneous that my face is definitely shining. But now I'm gonna go even harder and use a face and body lava. And this one is also in Golden Honey, so these are the same shade. Again, this is a sample, so it's not gonna come in like this for you guys. But I'm gonna take this spatula and get some product and just put that where I would highlight. And now I'm just gonna take a beauty blender and blend that in. Then I'm gonna put my foundation right over it. So there you go. I'm gonna go in with my Revolution Conceal and Define foundation in the shade 10.5 and tap all that in. keep in mind this is a matte foundation. Okay, so foundation is on, and as you can tell, you can still see the lava shining through the foundation. So I did finish the rest of my face. I powdered, I put blush, I contoured a tiny bit, and you can still see some of the shine shining through. But if you do want to be extra, I'm going to attempt to put this above my foundation and my powder, and then see if anything moves. So again, going in with my little spatula, this time with less product. Taking this onto my finger, and patting that wherever I want to highlight. So let's see if this moves foundation. And then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. And we are highlighted. Honestly, that did not move my foundation around. And that is a buff powder, so that is quality right there. And that was the body lava. I think I'm gonna try something that I haven't tried with this yet and put it in my inner corners as my inner corner highlight and see how that goes. Okay, and now I'm gonna take my mini beauty blender and pat, pat, pat. Okay, so inner corner, it's okay. It's okay for the inner corner, but I prefer it on my face. That is a stunning highlight. Lastly, I'm gonna set my face with the Glo Spray. And then look, this is what I was talking about. This all builds up in the bottom, but all you gotta do is shake it real nice and make sure that all of that is dissolved within to the liquid, and you should be fine. And I'm just gonna set it. And that is it for these products. I think that they worked pretty nicely. I'm glowing, and that was literally what they were intended to do. They did not move around my powder, so that is a positive, and I feel like I'm really content with this. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, if you guys agree with me or not, but I think these would be a great buy. I think I'm definitely gonna buy these when they come out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved creating it, and I cannot stop looking at my highlighters. So now, since I missed Sing Along Sunday last week and this week, I'm just gonna insert a little clip of me singing Burning by Sam Smith, but it's not the whole song, it's just like a little part of the song, and I feel bad that it's not a full cover, but I'm gonna insert it right now. And if you guys don't want to hear me sing, you guys can click out and have a great day. Thank you guys so much, and remember to enter my giveaway. Today's bonus entry question, remember this goes to the first 2 people that get this correctly, is what breed of dog do I have? So have a great day, bye bye. And if you're gonna stay, enjoy the little 10-second snippet of me singing. Funny how time goes by, had respect for myself. Now that river's dry, you reached the limit, but it wasn't enough. Feels like a